Hello, and welcome to iBiz Wireless Business Card Tutorial, the next generation digital business card. No special app is required. For Android mobile devices, make sure the NFC function is enabled. Simply tap your device on the iBiz wireless card to access content and information. For iPhone 7 and higher, you can open your camera app and point the camera to the QR code on iBiz wireless card to access content. Or you can use your favorite QR code scanner or NFC app to access iBiz card wirelessly. Please contact us to get a free iBiz card sample to see how it works.